Hi, I'm Yvonne Brooks from McNally Jackson Books. Today we're going to read Horse Meets Dog, written by Elliot Kalan and illustrated by Tim Miller. Here we go. Horse Meets Dog. Wow, you're very big! You are mistaken. I am not big. I am normal sized. In fact, I was just about to tell you that you are very small. Is your smallness because you are just a tiny baby? Oh, look at this little cutie tiny baby. Does tiny baby need a bottle of hay? Blech. Yeah, I'm not small. And you have weird feet. Where are your paws? Did you lose them? My feet are not weird. Your hair is weird. Why don't you take better care of your mane? It only takes a few hours a day. Also, your tail sticks up. It should hang down like a gorgeous hair waterfall. And they both imagine what they would look like with different tails. Like if he had a tail that stood up, or if he had a tail that hung down. And they both decide, nah. Yeah, I'm sorry we got off on the wrong paw, big pal. I got you a present. I got you a present too, tiny baby. Open mine first. And he opens the present. It's a saddle, in case a tiny person wants to ride you. Will you try on your new saddle? Or would you rather be rude? And he puts on the saddle, right? And now what happens? Someone sits on you and you take them wherever they want to go. Fun. Oh, that doesn't sound like fun to me. Oh, but it is so much fun. And then you get to eat oats. Woohoo, oats. He's eating a bucket of oats. Gack. He looks a little doubtful about that. Yeah, if you want to see real fun, just open your box. Happy birthday! I also decided it's your birthday. It's a ball, big pal. Go get it. He throws the ball. Excuse me. You threw it. You go get it. No. This is how it works. You go get it, then I throw it again, and you go get it again. Boing, boing, boing. And the horse is standing there like, really? You were kidding me, right? This is my favorite game, for obvious reasons. And they both say at the same time, I don't like this present. I don't like this present. And they both also are very surprised. You don't like it? You don't like it? What kind of horse are you? What kind of dog are you? Gasp. We're not dogs, we're horses. We're not horses, we're dogs. If we are dogs, why do we whinny like horses? Ahem. Nay, nay, nay. Nay. You get the idea. We don't whinny. We bark and make dog sounds like dogs make. Bark, bark, bark. Arf, arf, arf. Bow, wow, wow. And so forth. Are you sick, tiny baby horse? Because something is seriously wrong with your whinny. I'm not a tiny baby horse. You're a very big dog. I'm not a very big dog. You're a tiny baby horse. Tiny baby horse. Very big dog. Tiny baby horse. Very big dog. They're fighting like that. And then along comes a little bird. Hello. Hi, hi. And the bird says, "You are two weird-looking birds." The end. Thanks for listening.